Welcome to the Protegis Fire Alarm Repair Lab. Today, we're going to review the difference between refurbished and reconditioned parts. The difference between the two is critical when it comes to life safety parts. Refurbished parts are previously used parts that may or may not been working when removed from a system. They generally are visually inspected and cosmetic restoration completed and are often not tested. While they are sometimes cheaper, they are typically sold as used or as is, and carry a higher risk of failure. Reconditioned parts, on the other hand, are restored to the original OEM specifications through the repair and replacement of damaged or faulty components with like-for-like parts. They are thoroughly inspected and, at Protegis, are tested in working mock systems. This thorough process allows us to offer a 1-year warranty on all reconditioned and repaired parts. While refurbished parts may seem like a viable option, it can be risky and cause project delays, increased service costs and increased risk. At Protegis, we only sell reconditioned parts as there is no room for compromise when it comes to life safety.